Hey, so welcome to my crib. This is it, and we have the roof, and that's it.
You can actually feel a little bit more today.
I don't
Because
feel the sun.
The other day was terrible. Referring to, they might ask me if them alright. Oh, come on, snow. That's a tool somebody do. Why you tell people my business? Don't!
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique. Hey YNR fam, welcome back to another vlog. So today we will be filming from Winnipeg, Manitoba, and guys, look at the beautiful trees. They're so pretty, aren't they? So yes, it's winter and we are spending it in Manitoba. So today we will be going to a little special place, a nice little venue. As you can see, we got to the location, we parked. But I don't know why we're not going between the people in the car. I'm gonna take no space today. But yeah, so we're actually heading inside right now. And just a reminder, folks, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit the subscribe button. I promise we will appreciate it a lot. And of course, remember to like, share, and comment. Yeah, comment. Interact with us. We'll interact with you guys. So anyways, right now we will be heading inside the location. Catch you guys inside.
Where are we, Yankee?
We're at this, I think they call it a market. So it's the Forks Market in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So it's basically like an indoor building that has multiple stores, different types of stores, meat, pastry, restaurants, ice cream, them little something there, donuts, fish and chips place. There's so many different, and I think they're like upstairs there are a few clothes stores as well. So yeah. We will try to record as much as we can. We might not be able to do everything, depending on the amount of people are there, because we don't want anything to get privacy. But yeah, let's see.
And then we walk out into the dining area, basically. Absolutely love these lights. But yeah, this is it. And we took some photos up there. I'll insert them now, but yeah, this place is just so nice. We are going on the river and I left my gloves, so I have to get them. How to open this thing? Okay. Got it.
So, we just exited the building. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Yes, we're kind of just like a bit like Eskimos, but we're in peak of winter. So, as you can see, and the sun today don't feel so artificial. Trust me, most days the sun feels so artificial, but right now we are heading down to the river because it's frozen over, and that allows us to skate on the ice. Unfortunately, I can't rent any skates. I had the intention to rent skates today, but I can't rent no skate because I don't have my ID. And it's a case where your ID is needed to rent this skate, and they take or they keep the ID until you return the skate and or any skate assistance or helmet type of thing that you might get from them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys where we are going, and this is all joint to the Forks Marketplace building that we told you about just now. Yeah. All right, so that is the building, and that's the river, all frozen, and that is Red over there on his phone somehow. Now I have to be careful. If you've never come afar and experienced snow, when you are walking on the snow, you have to be careful. But anyways, isn't it beautiful? And the sun is just sunning. And what is your name again? I was calling you toupee the other day, and I know it's not a toupee, it's a teepee.
Teepee, yeah.
It's a teepee. So you want to get warm, you head into this to warm up. I don't see any heaters in this one. Yes, that's why it's there.
Oh, we can?
Yes, you can. That's why it's there.
Okay.
You're able to go in to warm up. There's no heater in this one.
Okay, so welcome to my crib. This is it, and we have the roof, and that's it. Yeah, this is where I chill. My crib. Woohoo! All right, let's go.
So where's your bed? Where's your bed, sir? Now for persons who are skating, you get this, or even for others, you get this to walk down.
No, it's a stroller. What is going on?
You get this to walk, probably, the rubber mats on the steps, so you don't slide. And Mr. over there decided to walk on the snow.
Where did they go?
The other day we walked along the river, but it wasn't fully frozen, so the river wasn't open.
Follow back on me.
Follow back her hand.
Hi. We're on the river train.
Oh, they're doing a secondary walkway or something. Ooh. And what kind of sink that me stepping a while ago? Stepping on a sink. Yes, it is. It helps you. So there's another thingy over there that helps you to heat up.
So,
I think, or it's for kids to play in.
so if it wasn't made clear, this is a river. Well, actually in the river, right?
We are standing on the
This
top of the
section
river.
They did whatever they did to it to get it this way, so it can skate on it.
Yeah.
So
And
we
it
are
looks
in the river right now.
And it looks like they put water on it. So yeah, it looks like they put water on top of there. But basically, what I got to understand is that they actually use a machine and polish it. So I guess water comes out, and right here, I don't know if you guys can see. You see here it's so dry, and then there's a kind of wet. Look at that. So you can see that it's water come on top of the ice and dry, and that helps with the skates as well. And they keep doing that to get the ice thicker, is what we've heard, is what we've been told. Yeah, but this is pretty cool. Woo! No, my hand them cool.
I had to put my gloves
My
on.
hands were out recording
I've been
for 4
saying
minutes.
I've been saying this. I'm fine with the cold. What I've experienced so far, which I've experienced -30, but my fingers are the only things that struggle. Yeah, but yeah, we're out here. We're thinking about it.
I can't though. I don't have my ID. So you're the only one who can do it. I said it earlier.
I'm not gonna. We tried rollerblading. I don't think that video was posted.
Rollerblading. This is not. This
Skate.
is
We skate.
rollerblading.
We skate.
We've done roller
skate.
skates, and we are not professionals. We drop $1 million, especially
Yeah.
we drop 1,000,001 times.
Oh, I think that video was on the computer that broke. Was it?
I
Yeah.
don't know. But this is our rollerblade, and we've never done this one. I wanted to do it, but I don't know. I don't have my passport, and I don't think they're going to take one soft copy. Like I have a photo of it on my phone. It's not gonna work. I don't think. But yeah, it's so cool that they actually put some like a few yards from each other. They put some. Let's see if you can see it. That Christmas tree.
Oh,
and see a
the
few
bench.
yards down. There's another one, and they have bench in between.
Yeah.
So you can put like your shoes for what I'm seeing people.
Because like I said, it's a river, so these were definitely not a part of the river.
On the ice right now. Somebody put them shoes and them bag or whatever under the benches, and they're just skating. But this is so cool. And this side is winter. But I'm dancing.
I don't know if there's so much thing as a little snowman, but this is definitely a little snowman. This is not even the height of my knee. Again, guys, don't get tricked by the sun. Yeah, you just did it for sure.
Yeah, I was saying it actually feel a little bit more today.
I don't feel the sun.
The other day was terrible. But to be honest, right now, because we don't have nothing that block, we were just on the open river, as opposed to up there where we started earlier.
It's
You
a little
kind of
bit more
not see
windy.
this. So there's way more wind,
Yeah.
so you're not seeing the sun. It's cool. It's cool.
Oh, we are walking on the Red River by the fort. Behind we have the St. Boniface Hospital.
Rated. Wait, what? Where?
This building.
Oh, over there, so.
That's supposed to be.
Okay.
Dominican number one.
Oh, you don't say. I never knows. You have more to say?
It's a wonderful feeling.
Oh, make them for the twang. Oh, make them for the twang.
The temperature nice today. Walk on.
Afraid to. He might ask me if them alright. Oh, come on, slow. That could pull somebody, do.
Without much sun. Well, the sun is out, but
That's wild. People. We're still up on the river and we're probably like 5 or so minutes in, I think. But the place cold.
I mean, it doesn't go much further than
chilly.
there.
I think it
For the
does.
skating.
I think it does. I'd right to say stop.
Yeah, the skating stuff there. The turn.
Because the trail to walk and ride your bike is right beside the skating section, side, part, whatever you want to call it.
Here?
Yes, the skating part there and the walking and biking part with a
Wait,
pan.
people ride bicycle on here?
Oh my gosh. You
I
don't
ain't got nothing to do.
You ain't see no wheels. Don't you see wheels? Let's say a while ago. People a while ago. The man, I see him going on the snow now. I know I'm going to take up a ball. If he fling off of me and me start run, him turn on and realize that me realized. And him run my dog.
Because you can't run.
And knock me now.
The thrill of walking on the frozen river. Doing the frozen river that we are walking on.
Run.
Where are you going? It's too cold. Look at these two.
Why you tell people my business? Don't! We cool up on the net. You're disgusting.
Alright, so we're gonna go back up the river. We need to remember to do a thumbnail because we tend to forget those
We
songs.
need to take 2 pictures. Come here. Still in the video, but we're going to take a photo. St. Boniface Hospital.
Why you the twang?
I can't. I've been doing this. But anyways. Oh, shit. Oh, this does not make me feel nice here now.
So the,
Look
whoa.
what he What?
Man, I know that it was
Why
solid,
not?
but that's solid.
Oh, I thought you were going to say something else because I was about ready to go.
Check
People.
it.
People.
Solid, right?
Yes.
Super solid.
So that means all of this is just
Just the river.
Fluff.
This is all the river.
no. When we are walk as in the top layer, it's just fluff. Cause look at that. Somebody dumped that, you know.
Yeah. Here is the skating rink that you can come to learn to skate and just do a little practicing before you actually go on the river. I do not know what these are, but they're kind of cool. And then, boom, Yankee. Warming huts. Oh, it's a warming hut. Pardon my ignorance. But yeah, you just go in here to warm up a little bit. It's just like the teepee.
It was made by Scottish artists from Edinburgh.
I don't know why she had tongue again, or
I'm not twanging.
with accent. Accent.
Edinburgh, Scotland. Nick Green and Greg Peary or Pyrie. Forgive me if I pronounced that incorrectly.
So because somebody oh my gosh, this looks weird on the camera. So because somebody cannot ride bicycle, there's not much interest in this. But oh my gosh, this looks so trippy on the video. This is a whole ton of bicycle frames put together. It's not showing. I have to go closer. It is too trippy. Oh my gosh. So yeah, bicycle frame, and then you have that. This looks so crazy on camera, it's not even funny. Wow. What is the name of that thing again, Kanisa? Human Rights Museum. That place is way up. Way up. I went there, I saw everything. Every look is just endlessness. It's so high. And we are approaching this bridge. This bridge is beautiful at nighttime. This is such an interesting sight. And of course this bridge is over another river. Oh, the same river. Is it the same river? Yeah, the same river. So we're basically on the other side. Frozen as well, but not treated to skate like around the other side that we were at.
It's not ready, I don't think.
Yanique, you want to know what flavor the icicle there? Again though, this structure is so cool. Woohoo!
There's some shops down here.
Almost finished the bridge. Ooh, that's a long trailer. Almost finished the bridge and head into some stores that are there. Still here. There's a little patch right there. That's water. That is water. And there are some footprints. My sister said it's coyotes. Yeah, this one's right here. That's water as well.
So, we just walk from over there. Come here, so. Kinda, based on the design they put on the reddish part. Yeah. So we just take a little. Yes, the bakery is right here. Oh, there's a Chinese restaurant. You know us? You know we like good food. We like food.
We like regale.
According to a friend. Him live for... No. Him eat for survive.
No, eat for live.
Him eat for... that. That. Cue Michael.
Alright. Whew, we are dark. And we're heading back to the Forks. Got a quick bite to eat, I think, maybe.
So under. Wait.
So undark. But yeah, we're headed back to the Forks now. Alright, so we're heading back to the Forks, like I said, Human Rights Building and the bridge. Like, this is just a really nice view of where we're going back. It's very nice. I have my hat with my mask, and Yanique now has her hoodie on and stuff because
It's windy.
yeah, it's not colder, it's just that it's windy and it's stuck in your face, which is a whole other experience. So we're heading back to the fort to get some food. You know, just a lean building, like it's not showing on camera, but the building lean intentionally. So I cannot tell you what is written there. It's Ishkwashkwak, but this is it, and it looks so cool, so cool. And of course, we're here the wrong time of day. These are lights, and they look so good. I saw a video on Facebook. They look so nice. Basically, Annie, we're coming back tonight, and we are back at the Forks. Well, technically we never left the Forks, but well, we did leave. But yeah. And as you can see, people are skating in this little section here that I told you about earlier. Alright, when we're at the Forks, this is one of our favorite places to eat. They do this thing called, I'm saying this because I didn't know about poutines. They do poutines and they're really, really good. Like, we really love them. Poutines are a fun Canadian dish that originated from Quebec. It tends to be a mix of fries, gravy, and cheese curds. And in more recent years, restaurants have started to add meat options.
Oh yeah, it's good. We had it the last time. We took that and called it a cold barbecue. It's really good. Because of the jalapenos, yes.
I was just about to say, that's
Yes.
my favorite part.
Oh yeah, the jalapeno. It gives it a
Yeah, the pulled pork does have a really nice taste. It tastes so good.
Oh, yeah.
Onions are nice on there too, but I like to pick from
The jalapeno, yeah, it makes a difference.
Is there like an option though, out of curiosity, is there an option for
Add the jalapeno to the pork.
how much more is it?
I would do that.
Oh, so that's what it is.
Oh, I see a tripod.
I just put myself in a pickle.
No, actually a jalapeno.
I just put myself in a jalapeno. Pickled jalapeno. There we go.
I gotta try that.
Pickled jalapeno. Oh my god. You choose.
Yes.
I'll have you choose. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Smoked chicken or
We'll
cooked.
take the ranch and the jalapeno will go good. Alright, it's 2011. Do you have 10 more seconds?
Already?
No. We're
Oh,
waiting
that's
on
at the
this.
regular flat.
Again, people might know this. I'm not accustomed to this, so we're waiting on it. When it lights up, our food is ready. Food is ready.
And then, of course.
We just gotta call and we have to go.
Yeah,
So,
one of us.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
They're all handmade here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And we don't buy them.
Mmm. That's nice. That's really cool, actually. Oh, it's so good.
Trust me, it's really, really good.
Yeah.
I tried. I think last month there was a it wasn't Biscoff, was it Biscoff? Oh,
Yeah, we tried.
And then after the biscuit, we had the Ferrero.
for sure. Oh, yes.
All right.
So where we going?
Last view of inside the Forks before we go. Ice cream and poutine. Good day, right? Good day.
Here?
Oh, she's coming around.
Where?
One of the few tall buildings in downtown Winnipeg. I mean, there are other tall buildings around it, but that one's taller, of course. Almost like that thing at Lucy, that building at Lucy.
Why we are smile. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sticking and staying with us today. So we ended up doing a few more errands after we left Forks. We had a few places that we had stopped at, so we didn't get the chance to vlog anything else.
Yeah, there was really nothing else to vlog. We just showed you a bit of Forks and the bridge, and yeah, that was about it. Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, so thank you again for coming on the journey with us.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We don't post often, but we do a little thing, you know? Yeah.
Trying to get back in the groove. New normal.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
It's been a while. Again, it's been a while. Later. I will never get over how something can be soft and crunchy at the same time. Cheese Louise.